In this video, we're going to talk about specifics on how different options can affect the pricing of your basement remodel. Hi, I'm Aaron King with Custom Built Design Remodeling. I'm a project development advisor here at Custom Built. When it comes to your basement remodel, it's important that you keep your wants and needs in line with your budget. So picking the appropriate materials for your budget in your basement remodel is super important. When it comes to costs associated with every basement remodel, we typically do the floors, the walls, and some type of ceiling. So when it comes to the floors, you could do a nice LVT on the floor, you could do a tile floor, you could do a carpeted floor, and each one of those things will have a different cost associated with them. When it comes to the walls, typically we'll do a drywall finish on the wall. Sometimes we can do paneling, but then we can do the ceilings. We could do a drop ceiling, we could do a hard finish drywalled ceiling, or we could just paint the ceiling floor joists to give it an industrial look, which is kind of updated. When it comes to basement remodels and the cost rising, some of those things could be possibly adding a bathroom to that area or maybe a wet bar to that area. Bathrooms can range anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000 depending on how elaborate you get. And a wet bar, those can add $20,000 to $30,000 depending upon if it's a dry bar or a wet bar. Well, when it comes to trying to keep the cost of your basement remodel down, some of those things can be your choice in flooring, such as carpeting is much more affordable than say a hard tile or an LVT floor. When it comes to the ceilings, if you do a drop ceiling or maybe paint the floor joists, that could be less money than doing a hard drywall ceiling. When it comes to the walls, just depending upon how much surface area we have to finish and how much insulation is needed, those are the things that can keep the cost of a basement remodel more affordable. So when it comes to unexpected costs when it comes to your basement remodel, some building departments may require you to do an egress window, and that could add maybe $8,000 to $10,000 to your project. When it comes to your exterior walls in the basement, you want to make sure they're not leaky, so you might require to do some type of waterproofing system on the outside, and that could add $10,000 to $20,000 to your basement remodel. So when it comes to the typical cost of a basement renovation, it really depends on the size and the square footage of the space that we're trying to finish. But we can finish a basement for anywhere from $30,000 up to $130,000. We'll help you down that path and we'll make sure you're on the right track. So hopefully we've answered all your questions about basement remodels. If you have additional questions, get on our website at callcustombuilt.com. You can get blogs, articles, information on pricing, and you can also book an appointment with any one of our project development advisors on our website. So I'm Aaron King with Custom Built Design Remodeling. Hopefully we've answered all your questions regards to basement remodel. Thank you so much.